Hello everyone, Johnny Thunder, EAS&Weather here with your day one outlook for both fire weather and severe weather. First off, I want to wish you a Merry Christmas Eve. Today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas Eve. So, we have an elevated fire weather risk today that encompasses southeastern Colorado, southwestern Kansas, the Panhandle of Oklahoma, the Panhandle of Texas, and northeastern New Mexico. So, in synopsis, an upper ridge will prevail over the central U.S., while a mid-level trough impinges on the interior west today. Gradual strengthening of the surface lead trough across the plains will encourage modest dry downslope flow across portions of the southern high plains this afternoon. 15-mile-per-hour sustained westerly surface winds amid 15 to 20% relative humidity will overlap with drying fuels over northeastern New Mexico and southeastern Colorado, eastward into far southwestern Kansas and the Texas Panhandle for a few hours this afternoon, warranting elevated highlights. So, that's your day one fire weather outlook. Stay safe and remain vigilant today. And if I were you, I would gather supplies immediately, such as food, water, clothing, toiletries, medical supplies, a flashlight, a cell phone, phone chargers, extra batteries, flashlight, and the battery-powered radio in the event that you need to evacuate on a moment's notice, because a lot of times fires can start and spread quickly. So, please avoid outdoor burning. So, anyway, and do not throw cigarettes on the ground. Whether or not they're lit. Because 1, that's littering. 2, one little spark is all it takes for a fire to start and spread quickly. And make sure your cigarette is fully out before you throw it away. So, stay safe in the elevated fire risk areas. Now I'm going to move over to the severe weather aspect of things. So, moving over to the day one severe weather outlook, we have 2 marginal risk areas for severe weather today. 2 marginals today. One covering areas along in the vicinity of the coast of California and central California. Cities in today's marginals include Los Angeles, California, San Jose, California, San Francisco, California, Long Beach, California, and Sacramento, California. Going to today's tornado threat, there are 2 areas where we have a 2% chance of an isolated tornado today. One covering areas along the California coast, and another encompassing central California. The 2% tornado risk areas today include, The 2% tornado risk areas today include Los Angeles, California, San Jose, California, San Francisco, California, Long Beach, California, and Sacramento, California. Going to the wind risk now, there are 2 areas where we have a 5% chance of damaging wind gusts of 58 miles per hour or higher today, one covering the California coastline and central California. The 5% wind risk areas today include Los Angeles, California, San Jose, California, San Francisco, California, Long Beach, California, and Sacramento, California. And now to the hail threat for today. There is no hail threat for today. So that's good news. And in summary, an isolated risk for localized severe gusts and perhaps a brief tornado will exist today into tonight along much of the California coast and the Central Valley. So, that's your day one severe weather outlook. Stay safe in the affected areas today, even though they're marginals, because sometimes marginals can produce some pretty strong storms, and you know what the heck they can do sometimes. And since this is supposed to go into tonight, be sure to have a way of being notified to wake you up for severe weather during the night, whether it be your TV, radio, or phone. And if possible, sleep in your safe spot tonight to avoid having to move during the night. So, stay safe today, and my day 2 fire weather and severe weather outlooks will come out later today or tonight. It's going to come out a little bit later than usual because I have family coming over today. So, yeah. But after they leave, I'll do a day 2 on fire weather and severe weather. So, Merry Christmas Eve, and stay safe in the marginals, and I will have my day 2 sometime later today or this evening. Take care.